Jyoti Singh and I am welcoming you all in this beautiful session. I would like to thank Sahodya on behalf of Vaishali Central Public School, Madhurapur, that has given me chance to sharing my view and give message also about this topic. So the topic name is value of education and significance. Now I am giving some interesting speech and also giving some tips and ways to develop the value of education. Today every parents want to give the best education to children, which is not just confined to the books but it goes much beyond that. The parents look at the holistic development of their children as there is essential. It's in the global scenarios. It's why parents focus on extra activities and value education along with academic. In today's time when there is a huge crisis of moral values in society, value-based education proved out of being to solution through value-based education. Through value-based education, we can develop the children into people with strong characters and value who know how to utilize their knowledge for advantage of mankind. What is value education? Value-based education lays emphasis on the personality development of individual in order to shape their future and tackle difficult situation with ease. It models the children so they attain the changing scenarios while handling their social, moral and democratic duties efficiently. The importance of value education can be understood through its benefits as it develops physical and emotional aspects, teach mannerism and develop a sense of brotherhood is a still spirit of patriotism as well as develops religious tolerance in students. Let's understand the importance of value education in school as well as its need and importance in the 21st century. Current education system. First, need and importance of value education, purpose of value education, importance of value education in school, essay on importance of value education, speech on importance of value education. Need and importance of value education. Value education should not be seen as separate discipline but as something that should be inherent in the education system. Merely solving problem must not be the aim and clear reason and motive behind must also be thought of. There are multiple facts to understanding the importance of value education. Here is where there is an inherent need and importance of value education in the present world. It helps to talking in the right decision, difficult situation, improving decision and making abilities. It is students with essential values like kindness, compassion and empathy. It awakens curiosity in children developing their values and enhance. This further help in skill development in students. It also fosters a sense of brotherhood and patriotism, helping students become more open-minded and welcoming towards all culture as well as religions. It provides a positive direction to students' life as they are taught about his right values and ethics. It helps students find their true purpose towards serving society and doing their best to become a better version of themselves. With age came a wide range of responsibilities. It can at times develop a sense of meaningless and can lead to a rise in mental health disorders, mind change and crisis and going discontent ends to somewhat fill and void is pupil lives lives. Moreover, when people study the significance of value in society and their lives, they are more convinced and committed to their goal and patience. They leads to the development of awareness which result in thoughtful and fulfilling decisions. The key importance of value education gets highlighted. Exclusions of the acts and significance of its value in its still sense of meaning behind with what one is supposed to do and add is personality development. Purpose of value education. In a contemporary world, the importance of value education is multifold. It becomes crucial that is includes in the child's schooling journey and even after that to ensure that they imbibe more moral value and well as ethics. Here are the key purpose of value education: to ensure a holistic approach to a child personality development in terms of physical, mental, emotional and spiritual aspects. Helping students understand the importance of brotherhood and social, national and international levels, developing good manners and responsibility and cooperative, promoting the spirit of duty towards the orthodox norms, teaching a student about how to make sound decisions on the basis of moral principle, motivating a democratic ways of thinking and living, imprinting students with the significance of tolerance and respect towards different cultures and religions faith. Importance of value education in school. There is an essential need and importance of value education in school curriculums as it helps students learn the basic fundamental moral they need to become a good citizens as well as human beings. Here are the top reasons why value education in school is important. Value education can play a significant role in shaping their futures and helping them find their right purpose in life. Since school provide the fundamental for every child, learning adding values-based education to school curriculum can help them learn the most important value right from the start of their academic journey. Value of education as discipline in school can also be focused more on learning human value rather than mugging up concept, formula and theories higher score. Using short storytelling and value education can also help a student learn the essential of human value. Education will surely be incomplete did not involve the study of human values that can help every child become a more kinder individual, emotional intelligence and every child. Essay on importance of value education. Value education play a witness role in contributing to the holistic development of children. Without embedding value in our kids, we would not be able to teach them about good morals, what is right and what is wrong, as well as key traits like kindness, empathy, and compassion. The need and importance of value education in the 21st century are for more importance because of the presence of thought technology and its harmful use. By teaching children about essential human values, we can equip them with the best digital skill and help them understand the importance of ethics, behavior, and cultivating compassion. It provides students with a positive view of life and motivates them to become good human beings. help those in need, respect their community to as well become more responsible and sensible. Speech on importance of value education. Youngers today more to a growing education system that goes on almost understanding right now from when parents send them to add the tender as a 4 or 5 to completing their guardian. There is a constant barrage of information hurled at them. It is a puzzle task take to make sense of this vast amount of understand information. On top of that, the bar to performs better than and peers and meet is set a quite high level. This make a younger lose their and creativity under the burden. They know how to do something but fail to answer. Why they spend their whole childhood and younger age without discovering the real meaning of education. This is where the importance of value education should be established in their life. It is important in our lives because it develops physical and emotional aspects, speech, memories, and develop the sense of brotherhood, instill spirit of patriotism, as well as develop religious tolerance in students. It is essential to teach value-based education in school is foster the holistic development of student. आज हर माता पिता को बेहतरीन शिक्षा देने के जो सिर्फ किताबों तक ही सीमित नहीं है बल्कि उसमें कहीं आगे भी है। माता पिता अपने बच्चों के समग्र विकास को देखते हैं क्योंकि वैश्विक परिदृश्य में बढ़ने के लिए आवश्यक है। यही कारण कि मूल शिक्षा को आगे बढ़ाया जाए और इससे सभी को शिक्षा प्रणाली में निहित होने की अनुमति दिया जाए। Now the session is over. I grateful to you that all of you came and join this session. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all our teachers. Today, the Yogi ma'am have delivered a wonderful speech. Thank you very much for this speech, and I expect this from you to continue this the topic value of education in our day-to-day life for our children and for in our life. Thank you so much.